How does Zimbabwe hope to develop when those in power cannot even articulate, let alone understand the economic goals they claim to pursue? Sarabina mashoko kudanyogwa panguva inoi atiri kuona kuti hazvina kumira zvakanaka. Panguva inoi atiri kuona people they are continuing vachisa eno to Vision 2030. Ndobva subscribe like otomba bell like chimbosarwa nobuda nenhau yake anobuda nyora achiti last month as I was listened to senior government officials and the legislators speak ahead of President Emmerson Mnangagwa's State of the Nation address, I was struck not by their insight but by their confusion. The sheer incoherence in their expectations and interpretations of the Vision 2030 was not only embarrassing, it was alarming. These are not uninformed citizens on the streets. These are the very individuals entrusted with crafting and implementing national policy. Yet, when they open their mouths, they reveal a disturbing truth. There is no shared understanding of what Zimbabwe's development trajectory actually is. Some speak of upper middle income status, others of an upper middle class, and still others of an upper middle income economy. These are not harmless semantic slips. They are symptomatic of a deeper malaise, a government adrift, without a canvas, without a map, and without a destination. The World Bank defines an upper middle income economy as one with a per capita income between $4.466 US dollars and $13.845 US dollars. That is a concrete, measurable benchmark. But when ministers and MPs start investing terms like upper middle income status or upper middle class economy, they are not just miscommunicating, they are misleading. This is not just about language, it is about leadership. If those at the helm cannot define the goal, how can they chart a course to reach it? Worse still, how can citizens hold them accountable when the goalposts keep shifting? The truth is, Vision 2030 has become a political catchphrase, an empty slogan invoking to justify every pothole patched, every borehole drilled, every ceremonial ribbon cut. It's a smokescreen, not a strategy. Tomashukwa arikuda panguva inoitwa aiwa nanachipomsarurwa vachiya vachiti aiwa these guys they are not even confident with their Vision 2030. Kana comment section medu zvafungo imo tudi pamusoro pechitwa ichi. Subscribe like achitomba bell icon.